If you can teach any subject online, then you are in luck, because in this video I'm going to show you a website where you can sign up as an online tutor and start teaching any subject you are good at, whether it's mathematics, English, economics, engineering. And the best part is you don't need any test. All you need is sign up on this platform, list subjects you can teach and the times you are available, then you name your price. Once you do this, you start taking offers as an online tutor. Now, don't take my word for it. Here are people teaching different subjects on this website and they're getting a lot of job offers. Here are people teaching engineering, people teaching economics, mathematics, English, French, and just other subjects. So all you need is just sign up on this platform. I'm going to take you to my laptop screen and show you exactly what the website is, how to create an account, and how you can start immediately as an online tutor teaching whatever subject you are good at. Like I said, you don't need any form of test. You don't even need any special experience or examination. With that said, let's dive.
So here we are on my laptop screen. Let me show you how you can make a whopping $20 every 1 hour teaching any subject you are good at online. And like I said, you don't need any special test. You decide how much you make per hour. Now, the platform that we pay you is Fiverr. The first thing is to create a Fiverr account. If you don't have an account, here is a video that shows you how to create a Fiverr account. All you need is watch the video. Link to this video is contained in the description of first comment. So here is a link to sign up on Fiverr. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this place. And the first thing is to sign up. Let me quickly open this to show you people that are teaching different subjects online and they are making a lot of money. And the best part is all of them have gotten gigs. Now, if you look at this, some are charging $15, some are charging $10, $100, $35. You can see different prices they charge here. This one is charging $100. This person charges $35. This person charges $10. So you get to decide how much you get paid per hour. The best part is you decide when to teach. You can teach 5 hours a day, 20 hours a day, or just 1 hour. All right. If you look at all of this, everyone here teaching different subjects are making money. Now, how do you get started? All you need is once you sign up on this platform. So come over here and click on this button that says lifestyle. You are going to see the one that says online tutoring. If you click on it, you are going to see people teaching different subjects on this platform. This person says, I will teach English language to kids, and she charges $80. This person says, I will be your professional native English tutor. I will be your Spanish teacher online. I will teach you how to make passive income, and this one is charging $30. So it can be any topic, any subject, anything you can teach online. I found out that everybody here is getting tasks. So I am very convinced that if you sign up today, you are also going to start making a lot of money teaching. Some have gotten 1,000 gig offers, some have gotten 5,000, some have gotten 150. So if this is your first time being on Fiverr, I have a video. Here is a video that guides you on important tips and secrets that will help you create a gig that a lot of people will sign up for. I shared 3 amazing ideas that will help you create a nice gig that a lot of people are going to pay you for. So let's get back to Fiverr. Now look at this. I will assist you in civil engineering assignments and projects, which means this person is going to help you do your assignment. I will assist you in your maths and physics assignment. And they have been teaching and getting paid. Like I said, it could be any topic. Whatever you know how to do, here is an opportunity for you to teach and make money. Look at this seller. She says, I will have a conversation with you in English for 30 minutes. And you're going to pay her $5. So let's open this gig. If you look at this, this person is simply going to speak English with you, have a conversation in English with you, and you will pay her $5 for just 30 minutes conversation. If you look at this, she has 2 others in queue. So 2 more people are waiting to speak with her and pay her for speaking English. But anybody can do this and get a lot of tasks. So if you're a classroom teacher, you are just a student who knows any subject at all, you need to come over here and start making money. Her fee is $5 for a 30 minutes class. And not just even a special teaching, but just having a conversation with you. This person says, I will teach kids English online via Zoom or Skype. And for just 30 minutes, you will pay her $20. So she's been getting orders. Yes, she's been doing a lot of tasks. Imagine if you watch my video on tips that will help you get a lot of offers. And then you sign up here, list your gig on any subject you are good at. You start making a lot of money. The next one charges $85 to create a 60 seconds video on food and recipe. So if you know how to cook, you need to come on Fiverr here and start making a lot of money. The next skill to make a lot of money on Fiverr is Facebook ads. So if you look at this, all the sellers here are making sales. So I am very convinced that if you know how to run Facebook ads, you're going to make a lot of money, because Facebook ad is a skill that is in high demand right now. Now, if you look at all of these, you can see 298, 73, 140. There are some that are 1,000 plus. There are some that are 2,000, and the rest of them. Now, what if you don't know how to run Facebook ads? Simple. Come on YouTube here and learn how to run ads. So if you look at this, all these videos are step-by-step guide how you can run Facebook ads. Some of them are even teaching you how to run ads with your phone. For example, I know this guy, Courage. He teaches very well. If you click on this video, go to his channel and watch a lot of videos on how to run Facebook ads. You are going to simply learn this skill. Come over here on Fiverr and start making a lot of money running ads for people. You can see every seller here gets offer, and some of them are charging $195, $50, $70. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to create Fiverr accounts. If you watch this video, you learn how to create Fiverr accounts. If you're looking for simplest way to make money on Fiverr, here is the next video you are going to watch. Click on this video right now and watch it.